Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is sausage roll with sage and apple. As normal, the full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. First, let's prepare the sausage meat. To do this, put the mince in a bowl with salt and pepper to taste. Finely shred some sage leaves and again add them to the mince. Then, using a box grater, grate the apple on top of the pork mince. Then thoroughly mix together. Your hands are best implement for this. This is where we realised we hadn't put the breadcrumbs in, so next you put the breadcrumbs in and continue to mix them together. And that's your sausage meat prepared. Then you prepare the pastry by cutting a sheet of puff pastry lengthways in half. Don't worry, we won't be wasting the other half of the puff pastry, we're using that on another recipe which you'll see in a minute. Next thing to do is roll out the sausage meat as you see here. Then you're ready to assemble the sausage rolls. And to do this, simply place the sausage meat on top of the pastry, and use a beaten egg to seal the edges of the pastry, and gently fold over and seal the edges with a fork, as my wonderful wife is doing here. See, I can say something nice about you. And when all the edges are sealed, place on a well-oiled oven tray. No, you're not seeing double, that's the other recipe I talked about earlier. Anyway, use the rest of the beaten egg to glaze the top of the pastry. Then using a sharp knife, put 3 or 4 slits in the top to let the steam out. And it's off to a preheated 180 degree C oven for 40 minutes. How hard can that be? There you have it, sausage rolls with sage and apple. Hope you like this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Bye for now.